Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to show you what you should be looking out for when you're buying NFTs, okay guys? So if you're new to the channel and you think you might enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description down below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies, all kinds of good crypto stuff on a daily basis. So you might as well go ahead and give me a follow. Because I'm only going to be here for the long term, you guys. So I'm going to show you today what you should be looking out for. Because here's the thing, you guys. I see a huge trend everywhere, pretty much everywhere, specifically on Twitter, you guys. There are so many people complaining on a regular basis about how they're losing XYZ amounts of money on different NFTs and stuff like that. Well, guys, you quit buying junk, okay? That's the problem here. You're buying trash, okay? You gotta stop buying junk. I mean, realistically, that's the problem. You're all buying junk. You gotta stop buying that crap, okay, guys? You're not gonna turn a profit. You're not going to make money buying junk, okay? Now, think about this. When you were little, did you go downstairs and go to your little brother's toy box and grab an old toy and pull it out and be like, I think this is worth something. I'm gonna sell this today? God, no. But if you go to the store and you go and buy a brand new toy that just came out and you try to sell it, more people are going to be interested in it because it's the new thing and it's the big thing, okay? And it's the thing that people are wanting, okay? That is the same thing with NFTs and any other product in any other market, you guys. You know, there's a reason why people are buying iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones, okay? There's a reason why people buy the Apple Watch, and there's a reason why people buy the Samsung Galaxy Watch instead of the cheaper versions all over Amazon and stuff like that. There's a reason why, you guys, and you have to think about NFTs in that same type of sense. Now, guys, when I'm talking about what to look out for in NFTs here, I'm not talking about gaming NFTs or anything like that, okay? The NFTs I'm talking about are profile picture type NFTs, okay? The quote-unquote JPEG NFTs, okay? So this has nothing to do with gaming NFTs whatsoever because that is a completely different use case, okay? Gaming NFTs are cool. Gaming NFTs are awesome. They actually have a use case. They actually do something, and, you know, they're actually useful, okay? Now, guys, when we're talking about just regular profile picture NFTs, you know, the cool, cute penguins or the cool, cute turtles or the cute Doge dogs or something, shit, I don't know, whatever. You know, there's really things that you have to look out for, and I'm going to show you this, okay? Because here's the thing. This is something that I learned early on, and you have to be honest with yourself, okay? That's another key thing here, you guys. It's kind of like being a drug addict, okay? There has to be a time where you have to admit to yourself that what you are buying is absolutely trash, okay? You have to be honest with yourself, okay? I mean, I understand everybody's got pride and everybody's got an ego, but in order to get past that, you guys, you have to admit to yourself that what you're buying is trash, all right? So I'm going to show you what you should be doing instead, all right? So the only NFTs I'm going to be looking at here are Ethereum NFTs, Polygon NFTs, or Matic NFTs, and Solana NFTs. Only reason why I say Polygon Matic is because they're kind of interconnected with Ethereum NFTs right in here in OpenSea in a way. So realistically here, you guys, I'm pretty much talking about Ethereum and Solana mostly. And the reason why is because with Solana and Ethereum NFTs, they pretty much control the NFT market pretty much everywhere around as far as profile picture NFTs go. I do know, trust me guys, I know there's Cardano NFTs, I know there's Avalanche NFTs, I know there's Tezos NFTs, I know there's Flow NFTs, I know there's NFTs on all kinds of different blockchains. But I'm not talking about those, okay? Actually, I am. I mean, the same rule that I'm about to tell you applies with pretty much every NFT on every other blockchain. But the reason why I'm showing you mainly on Ethereum and Solana is simply because it's much easier, okay? So here's what I'm going to show you, okay? The only types of projects you should be looking at buying are projects that have matured and projects that are actually valuable and projects that have solid communities, okay, guys? Now, I'm not talking, when I say solid community, okay, I'm talking a community that is a rock hard, okay? You knock on that thing and that thing is not knocking back, okay? You knock on that thing and it is solid as a rock all the way through, okay? Now, what I mean by that, you guys, is you need to be buying into NFTs that are literally rock hard, okay? They have a solid community, they have solid fundamentals, they are mature, they've been around for a long time, and they have the proof of, their overall trading volume to back it up, okay? And now I'm talking about projects that, have been around for a while, popular projects, big projects, okay? Those are the ones that are going to appreciate over time. Those are the ones that people with a lot of money are buying also, and those are the ones that you are going to, that have the best potential to actually make money on in the future if you're going to try to flip it in the future. Okay, guys, this is why so many people are buying, this is why celebrities are buying CryptoPunks. This is why celebrities are buying Bored Ape Yacht Club, okay? You don't see Snoop Dogg or any other big, you don't see any big time celebrity buying some random NFT like, I don't know, your brother's Hot Wheels car underneath his bed turned into a picture NFT or something like that. There is nobody buying NFTs like that, okay, guys? Or random little projects like, let me just show you this real quick. Here's a random little project I remember a long time ago, okay? They were called SOL Lions, okay? Oh, they're not even on here anymore. Wait, are they? Let me see. They're not even on here anymore. That's funny. Okay, here's another one. Chubby Corgis, okay? Chubby Corgis is a project that came out a long time ago, just a random small NFT project, okay? Nobody's ever heard of it before, but they had this really cute artwork, They made a big deal about it on, Twitter, and I'm not going to lie, I did too, because, I thought it was cool too. This was before I learned what I know now about NFTs, okay? I fell into that category before you guys. I used to be one of those guys who bought into these cute little NFT projects and thought that I was going to make big bucks in the future if I held on to them for long enough. No, guys, it's simply not how it works, okay? You cannot just find a random minted project and buy into it and think that you're going to turn it for a big profit in the future. It doesn't work that way, okay? So realistically here, this Chubby Corgis project, you guys, it started, the mint was 0.10, okay? And it is currently trading, the floor price is 0.01, and it's been like that for like 3 or 4 months now, okay? This project is not going to be turning around anytime soon at all whatsoever, and I can only imagine, I feel really bad for everybody who's holding these, because it's not like they're not going to turn a big profit in the future whatsoever. So this is a good example of what I'm talking about here, you guys. This is not a solid project. This is not one of those projects that's been around for a long time that has grown and that has matured, okay? So realistically, you want to be buying projects that have grown and have matured to a level of where you can trust the project and you can trust that it's going somewhere and you can trust that, it's probably going to be worth something someday. So that's, again, why people are buying into CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and all these other big ones too here, you guys. You got even Moonbirds, Doodles, Cool Cats, NFTs. And so I'm going to show you how you figure this out, okay? So with Ethereum, for instance, and Solana, right now I'm on OpenSea, which everybody knows is Ethereum's pretty much number one NFT marketplace. You go to OpenSea.io, and you're going to come to its main page right here, and you're going to go to the stats page, okay? You're going to click stats, and then what I like to do here, you guys, is click on the last 7 days. I go to all time, and what I will do is I will literally just click the volume thing, and until it's at the most volume, until the top collection on the top has, obviously the most volume. And then I scroll down to see, which projects I like out of here. Now, obviously, the ones that have the most volume are going to be the ones, that have been traded the most and the ones that have had the most money flown through it. Obviously, those are the more popular projects, you guys. Because people are putting money into them for a reason, right? So that is the reason. That is how I go ahead and I figure out which projects are probably the most safest to buy into for good potential long-term investments. Okay, so honestly, coming through here, even when I see something like this, the volume at 70,500 Ethereum, I'll click on it. And I will literally come here and check it out. And obviously, you guys, when I come here and check it out and I see that, obviously there's a whole bunch of crypto kitties for sale, obviously, you guys, I feel like I can trust this project because there's been a lot of volume that have been traded in this specific project, okay? And honestly, you guys, those are the ones you want to be looking for at all times. Projects that are popular, okay? And the same thing is true with Solana. So here I am on one of Solana's, bigger marketplaces called Magic Eden. And basically all I did is, this is probably what it looks like when you come to their main website or whatever. You click on collections and you click on, you'll be on the popular collections. You'll click on 30 days because that's the furthest out you go. They don't have an all-time thing. And obviously, you guys, right here, every single one of these projects, every one of them, they're popular collections, and they say popular collections for a reason. I would feel comfortable buying into any of these popular Solana NFT projects, okay? Why? Because I've heard of a lot of these personally outside of crypto, and I know that they're popular, and I know that they have, they've traded a lot of volume, and it's what, they're the projects that long term a lot of people have, shown interest in long term. So these projects would be considered safe for me to feel like I can buy into them for the long term, you guys. Okay. And another thing I like to do is I like to go to a pretty much a Solana NFT or an NFT. A NFT statistical type website. It pretty much aggregates all statistics for all NFT collections across all the major NFT marketplaces, I guess you could say. So this one is for Solana pretty much, and it's called hyperspace.xyz. And what you do here, you guys, is you'll literally come here. Let me go to the main page. So this is what it will look like on the main page. What you'll want to do, you guys, is you'll want to click on stats, okay? So stats, and then what we want to do, you guys, is we want to come to the volume, okay? Now, wait, was it volume? Hold on, let me check. Let me just check this out real quick. So we want to go to volume, and we want to see which ones are currently trading the most right now at at this exact moment in time. So you click it, and you'll see that obviously the OK Bears project has been trading a lot lately, okay? So realistically, obviously, we don't know how good it's been long term. So what we will do is we want to go to market cap, okay? So we want to go to market cap, and that'll pretty much tell us, which projects have pretty much traded, or pretty much the most money that has been into each project, okay? And obviously, you guys, these are the very, very popular ones, okay? I have heard of every single one of these projects, okay? And I would feel comfortable buying into any one of these projects as well. We've got DGods, which, here we go, you guys, this is the popular NFT marketplace, Magic Eden. The first popular collection on their list, DGods. Same thing right here, DGods. So that tells you something. DGods is a popular project. It is going to appreciate in value long term. It is a solid project to buy into, okay? What you don't want to do, so here's the thing. Actually, let me back up for a minute. So these are all the projects that are definitely safe to buy into. Yeah, they have a high floor, and a lot of them do have a high floor. But a lot of them also do have somewhat low floors as well, you guys. Degenerate Holiday Pandas, 9.9 SOL. That's not bad. Enviro, 5.4 SOL. That's really not that bad. You can find good quality NFTs for a decent price that will potentially, probably, more than likely, appreciate in value as time goes on because they're popular projects, you guys. And that's just simply the gist of it. It's, again, guys, it goes back to the same analogy that I made before here, okay? You do not, an old, buying into, nobody goes to Walmart. Nobody goes to Walmart and buys, most people are not buying the cheap Hot Wheels cars that nobody's heard of, okay? People want to buy the Hot Wheels cars that have, people want to buy the Hot Wheels cars that come with the track or that come with other specific cool things that kids can play with that is also with it. People aren't just buying the car and that's it. It's pretty much the same type of thing here, you guys. You need to buy what's popular and what's currently popping in the market, you guys, and what is popping for the long term as well. And that's just the general, that's not really, there's no science involved behind it or anything, you guys. It's just basic common sense here, okay? You do not want to be going for the cheap NFTs that, like I wouldn't click on this new tab right here, collections new, and come to Cloud Girls. And, I wouldn't come here and buy one of these and expect me to make a bunch of money within a week or 2 or 2 months or something like that. Because I don't know anything about this project. I've never heard of it before. It's not listed anywhere in any of the popular projects. It's basically a very, very high risk project to invest in because nobody's talked about it anywhere yet, and it's not popular yet. So it's kind of a very risky thing to invest in. So guys, again, let me reiterate here once again, you want to stick with the popular projects, the ones that have already done well, the ones that, you know, will do well for the long term and will appreciate in value for the long term, you guys. So guys, if you have any questions about this stuff, you know, hey, I'm free for opening questions. You know, hey, that's why I made this channel, was to help people. I love helping people. So if you have any questions, let me know on, you know, reach out to me on Twitter. I'm available on here all the time. But other than that, you guys, that pretty much does it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.